Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the latest and greatest in beauty products. Today, we're excited to talk about the Gimme Beauty Medium Hair Brush, a product that has been making waves for its impressive detangling capabilities and user-friendly design. If you're looking for a brush that promises to handle all hair types with ease, stick around as we explore what makes this brush stand out from the rest. The Gimme Beauty Medium Hair Brush is marketed as a damage-free detangling tool that caters to a variety of hair types, including straight, wavy, and even curly textures. What sets this brush apart is its unique bristle design. Each bristle is infused with ions that help to combat frizz and static, making every stroke not only smooth but also beneficial for your hair's overall health. This brush is perfect for those of us who want to maintain the natural shine and vibrancy of our hair without the hassle of breakage or damage. Let's talk about the bristles themselves. Made from soft, heat-resistant nylon, they flex gently to navigate through knots and tangles without pulling or snagging. This is a game-changer for anyone who has ever battled with a stubborn knot in their hair. You'll find that it glides effortlessly through wet or dry hair, providing a luxurious and gentle brushing experience. The ergonomic design of the Gimme Beauty Medium Hair Brush is another feature worth mentioning. The handle fits comfortably in your hand, which makes it easy to use for extended periods without any strain. Whether you're prepping for a night out or just doing your everyday routine, you'll appreciate how comfortable it feels during use. Now, let's get into its versatility. This brush is not just for detangling, it's also excellent for styling. Whether you're looking to smooth your hair for a polished look or simply need a quick touch-up, this brush handles it all. It's great for both straightening and adding volume, giving you flexibility in your styling choices. What about portability? The Gimme Beauty Medium Hair Brush is travel-friendly, making it a perfect companion for your trips. Its compact size means it can easily fit into your purse or travel bag without taking up too much space. So whether you're jet-setting across the globe or just heading to the gym, this brush can tag along. Another noteworthy point is the brush's ability to reduce frizz and static. As someone who has dealt with these common hair concerns, I can say that the ionic properties in this brush really make a difference. It not only detangles but also leaves your hair looking healthier and shinier after each use. In terms of care, maintaining this brush is a breeze. Simply rinse it under warm water and let it air dry. This easy maintenance means you can keep your brush in top condition without dedicating too much time to cleaning it. So, is the Gimme Beauty Medium Hair Brush worth the investment? If you're looking for a reliable, versatile, and stylish hair tool, I'd say absolutely. Its unique features and thoughtful design make it a standout choice in the market. Plus, it's suitable for a wide range of hair types, which is always a plus. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. And if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with the Gimme Beauty Medium Hair Brush, drop a comment below. Until next time, happy styling!